Hey, what's up guys? So this is 2021 Honda Accord, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do oil change on this one. So right now it's got oil life 10% and it's due for A129. 1 is tire rotation, 2 is air filters, 9 is brake service, chassis inspection. At this point in time, customer wants oil change only, so I'm gonna reset the items and A. Yes, so that's reset it. So the rest of the ones that haven't been done, like the 2, 9, 1, will still remain on there. I'll show you guys. See, 1, 2 and 9 still remains on the info. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to do a oil change on this car. I'm going to tell you guys what the engine size is for this one also. All right, so let's start off with opening the hood. There's a all right, I know you can see, yeah, that one over here. So I'm going to push it this way and I'm gonna lift. So that's how you guys open the hood, and then get the prop and bring it down right into the hole, just like that. Now you have opened the hood. At this point, this is your engine, this is your oil cap here. So you'll need the 020. So pop that open. That's open. Pop this open also, and we'll lift the car up. All right, you're gonna lift it up. If you go to the driver's side here, you guys can see this metal thing right here. Yeah, that one right there. So hook. So that's where I'm gonna jack it up. All right, on this side you don't have anything here. There's no opening, but I'm just gonna eyeball it where that is, and that one. There is actually a indication where that subframe is. So that subframe right there, will line up all the way here. I'll show you guys later on. Alright guys, so this is the front of the vehicle, and then you have a shield here covering the oil filter. You guys can see the oil filter, the blue oil filter right there, and this is the oil drain plug. Alright, so all I have to remove is this. If I don't want to, I don't have to. All I can do is bend it like this, just like that, to get the oil filter out. But I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this. It's only 3 screws, right? So, and then the drain plug. All right, so let's do this.
Clockwise, right? That's it. Okay, that's it. Pull it out. Perfect. Once that out, you have access to the oil filter.
Wanna lie down? See this? Alright, so loosen this, guys, counterclockwise. pan ready. Let's start removing the drain plug. Just like that. While this is draining, we can start draining the oil filter as well. This one right here. And so with this tool right here, we can start turning counterclockwise, just like that. Couple turns, move the pan towards this way, and then start turning, losing it like that. It'll drain, and just wait till it's start dribbling. Alright, so that's how the oil change goes, and I'll show you guys the torque spec for that drain bolt. And for this, it will just be hand tight for the oil filter. At this point, I can remove this already, just like that. Let that thing drain. Make sure the surface here is clear. No filter gasket that was left here, because sometimes this gasket right here will get stuck in there. The aftermarket oil filter tend to do that, but not with the OEM oil filter. But just to be sure, you know, make sure there's no gasket or anything that's stuck in there before you put the new oil filter in. Careful, don't drop it, okay?
Okay.
You drop it, okay, that's fine. Put it in there. Yeah, nice and tight.
Alright.
As hard as you can with your hand, that's it. You don't need tools for it, just hand tight. And make sure that's tight, hand tight only, as best as you can. See, no tools needed, you know. Grasp it and get it as tight as you can. Alright, you see the oil drain dribbling out. You can put the oil drain back on. Make sure you have a new gasket also. All the way in there. Go in more if you need to, so
Where
you
is
can
it?
reach it. The one where the oil dripping is.
Here?
Yeah, that's where the hole is. Careful, you know. Have to be straight, you know. Try to press it in first, then don't turn. Get straight. There. Once you get this straight, don't use You got 10 seconds, man. You got it in?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it in?
Yeah.
Good. Here, wipe your hand. There. Make sure you're in all the way, okay? Perfect. Should be good here. Let me try. No, don't use that. Just use your force. That's good, bro. That's good. Look at this.
Okay.
Perfect. Nice and tight. This is all you have to do. So this one, torque this to the torque spec will be on the bottom of the screen, and this should do it. All I really had to lift is on this side of the vehicle, because the drain plug is on the passenger side, right in the middle. So when you lift this up, so all the actual oil will be towards the passenger side, and that will drain everything, every bit of it. Well, not 100%, but like you get the most of it. All right. So you don't really need to lift the driver's side. You know what I mean? So all I gotta do is put the cover back on and put the oil in. Alright, like I mentioned before, this is a 1.5 liter engine, turbo. I'm going to start off with 3.5 liter first. Just leave it there, bro. Just leave it there. So I got it about right there, right just above the dot. I'm gonna fill a little bit more. I should do it, I think. This is a 5 liter jug. I'm gonna start the car and we're gonna check the level right again after I start the car for 10 seconds. Alright guys, so you guys can see oil level is right below the dot, the hole. Alright, so I guess we're right where we want it to be, the maximum there. I don't know how much I put in there, but I started off 3.5, check, and what's left is, it's hard to tell where I am. right now. 1.5. Yes, a 3.5 liter for this engine. Alright guys, if this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.